So we've started working with Boris on stand as a trick that's in the works. Boris, sit. So it's not all there yet. So obviously I'm luring him up into it. I haven't consulted any books about the best way to do this, which might have been helpful. I kind of like to figure things out and then backtrack for it. So what I've done is start to lure him up. That sometimes ends up in a jump. So I want to keep my hand close to his nose. Boris, stand right there. But I don't want him pawing at me like that. Boris, sit. Boris, stand. Sit. Yes. So I was treating him up here before when we were first doing it. But, you know, I want to obviously phase out the treats eventually. Anyways, and it's up, of course, and it's easier to do when he's in a sit. Or stand. No. Stand. Or stand. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Off. Or sit. So you've got to make sure that you have the rules consistently for a trick that you're wanting to train. Otherwise, they'll learn it the wrong way. Or stand. Sit. Yes. Good boy. So he got rewarded for that because he took his paw away from me. Jet, leave it. Eat it. Shram, you big thing. Come here, Boris. Boris, let's go. Boris, stand. No. Boris, stand. No. Boris, stand. No. Boris, stand. Boris, stand. Not jump. Boris, stand. Yes. All right, so there's that. And we'll try to post that as we progress. Boris, down. When you're doing this thing with the dog, you want to keep the food close to the nose so that they can follow your nose. Boris, spin. Sit. Yes. Boris, spin. Nope, let's go. Spin. Sit. So you're going to have more luck luring him if you keep the food nice and close to his nose. When you start, you have to be kind of patient. So maybe I'll do it with Jet because Jet's just starting to do some work. Yep. Yay, Jet. So just get him moving with your hand. And remember, it's difficult because when you have a large dog, my arms feel so short. So he did one. So we're not even putting a name to it right now. We're just showing him the boom, place. No, boom, place. Boom, come, place. Jet, let's go. Go again. So you get him moving after your hand. So if he stops and he sits, just get him moving. Good boy. Moving. Good boy. All right. So now that he's got the idea. Come. You don't want that butt down. Nope. Good. Messy and jolly work. But there you go. Come on, Boris. Good boy. Paw. Paw. No. Good boy. Or stand. No, or stand. Or stand. Good, sit. Yes. Horse, let's go. Or spin. Oh, good boy. Or spin.